Hello everyone, I'm Prado and welcome back to my channel. This video is a bit different, it's completely uncut, completely raw, and I'm just gonna speak something that's in my mind, and I really just want to talk about how did I start reading book. The story goes back long time. When I was in my school, my sister used to read books, and I used to play cricket all the time. I played professionally for 5 years, and later when I was in my 11th standard, this certain incident which completely changed my life, which is from school we went to this one place called a book fair. From school, like probably the entire school went off, and I saw one certain teacher which he bought probably like a handful of books, and probably like 20 books, and he couldn't have it in his own hands. What happened next is that this guy, the amount of books he bought completely changed my mindset, saying that's how he speaks so much English. And I said, this is it, I'm gonna buy a few books. And that's when I bought probably a couple of books, and I finished reading one book, and that book changed my life. And I'm not sure exactly the name, but I think it was about how 20 companies changed the world. And I certainly read about Google, I read about Adidas and Puma and how they were both related. I written a thread about it. But yeah, that certain incident is when it triggered something very deep in my mind, and I started reading more books. Though I that triggered things in my mind, I didn't actually read it. I didn't actually start reading a lot of books right after that. Probably when I was in my university, that's when a string of incidents happened at the same time, probably like a month or two in distance. 4 incidents, to be honest. First incident is when I was in university, I took up a hostel, and I changed up hostel, and the room I was in, and the previous guy he left, and I took his bed open, and I saw that there's a book behind his bed. I took his book, and it was this book, Think Like a Freak. This book completely changed my life, because this was probably the first or the second non-fiction book I ever read, and I absolutely loved it. The best storytelling, best way of it definitely triggered my curiosity. That was one incident. Second incident was I was in my like I said, I was in my university, and there was a session where there was no teacher, no professor, and I was just with my friends, and my entire class was there. I looked around and I asked myself, what is something I'm doing different than the people who are in this class right now? And I realized everyone's using phones, everyone's active on Instagram or some kind of social media, where I'm not doing enough, or I'm not doing anything different than the people around. So I said, this is it, this is another chance for me to get back into books. And I started reading books, and every time I go to college, every time I went to classes, I never missed out taking my book with me. Incident number 3 was I had an opportunity to work with a startup for internship, and the internship was not paid. There was no stipend as such, but the entrepreneur who I was working under was a really good man, a beautiful human. He even acted as a mentor for me, and we talked to each other a lot. What happened next is that he gave me one book that he told me to give it back to him. I said perfect, I would, and he gave it to me. The book, it's a concise version of the book Mastery. Hold on. It's the concise version of this book. Right now, what happened next is that I'm not sure if you have read Robert Greene or not, but Robert Greene is one of the best authors out there in human nature, human psychology, and the way he wrote Mastery, even the concise version, just completely changed my life. I really wanted to make sure that I wanted to read the bigger version, so I bought the book right now. But again, that small thing which the entrepreneur did have probably gained me not just money, but the amount of knowledge since then is much higher than the stipend he gave me. So So what I'm trying to say is that these are the small incidents that completely changed my life. One of the last small incident. So these are the 4 incidents. So when I said 3 incident, number 1 was the roommate, he left and I had a book inside near his bed. So that was one book, which was Think Like a Freak. Second incident was me sitting in my university in my classes and nothing to do. Number 3 was the entrepreneur who gave me a book to read rather than stipend, which changed my life. And number 4 is this incident where I was able to go to again a book fair, and in that book fair I bought 5 books for just 200 rupees, and that's when I told myself that books are not really that costly. It's teaching me more than my university, and it's one of the best things that can ever happen to me. And that's when I started investing more on books and started investing my time on books, reading more books. This is literally how I started reading. These are just few string of incidents that changed my life. I'm pretty sure that you also have few stories, and also the reason why this is an uncut video is that I just got a new puppy. His name is Harry, and say hi, Harry. Hi. Anyway, so it's just I'm super happy these days, and I don't really have much time to edit a video as such. So I'm trying to make an uncut video. Anyway, back to the video. If, like I was saying, that everyone has a string of incidents and stories where they started reading a book. So if you have any, I would love to check them out. Make a YouTube video, just make a video, or just type out a thread and share it with me. I would love to read your story as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.